Welcome to Cozy English Conversations. Today we are at the coffee shop.
Let's practice real English together. Oh, I love this place. It smells like coffee and happiness.
Coffee is happiness, Bella.
I need something sweet today.
You always need something sweet.
That is not true.
Yesterday you ordered chocolate cake. You also ordered a caramel latte and cookies.
It was a difficult day.
Okay, what do you want today?
I think I want a cappuccino.
Hot or iced?
Hot. It feels like a cozy day.
Good choice. And what about food?
Maybe a croissant.
Plain or chocolate?
Why do you ask such difficult questions?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Of course.
How do I order politely?
You can say this. Hi, can I have a cappuccino and a chocolate croissant, please?
Can I say I want?
You can say that, but can I have sounds more polite.
Okay. Can I have a cappuccino and a chocolate croissant, please?
Perfect. Very natural.
Do I need to say please?
Always say please. Coffee shops love polite people.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I do. I like the atmosphere here.
Atmosphere.
It means the feeling of the place.
Oh, I see. The atmosphere is calm and warm.
Exactly.
I feel relaxed here.
Me too. This is my favorite coffee shop.
Why is that?
The coffee is good. There is soft music. There is no stress.
I need that in my life. What are you ordering?
Just a black coffee.
That sounds boring.
It is simple.
It sounds a little sad.
It is mature.
It sounds bitter.
Like life.
Wow.
Relax. I'm joking. So today we learned something simple. Can I have hot or iced?
I feel relaxed.
I like the atmosphere.
And always say please.
Always.
This was fun.
English can be simple and cozy.
See you in episode 2.